Hi everyone, I'm Melissa from Rapid Resizer, and today I'm going to show you how to transfer design onto wood using an inkjet printer and the shiny paper backing from adhesive label sheets. I chose this type of adhesive paper because there are less labels to peel off, but you can get sheets with any number or size of shipping labels as long as it's for an inkjet printer. So begin by peeling all the stickers off as well as the adhesive paper around the labels as well. The shiny side that the labels were on is the side you're going to print on. White areas will not print, so be aware that only colors and black areas will show up. If there are words in your design, it's important to mirror the image and print it backwards, or else the words will be backwards on your piece of wood instead. There's handwriting in the design I chose for this project, so I used the Rapid Resizer program to flip the image. With some printers, if there's only one page in the printer tray, it will crunch up the paper. You may need to put several sheets of label paper with all the labels removed in the paper tray. When you're ready to print your design, go to the print settings and be sure that grayscale is turned off so that it doesn't print in black and white, unless that's what you want. You can also set the print quality to high so that it lays down more ink than it would in a draft or regular setting. Then just print it as you would with any other page. It will look very faded when it prints out, but there's actually a lot of ink on there. Be sure not to touch it at all or it will smear. Place it ink side down on the wood. The most important thing is not to move it around at all, so be sure to have it centered where you want it before it touches the surface. Hold it down with one hand securely while you work, or carefully tape it across the top along the border where nothing is printed. You can also put tape along the top of the back side of the paper before you even place it on the wood, so you can easily just smooth the tape down. Once the ink side is face down on the wood, press down on the back of the page, making sure to transfer every part of the image. So just smooth it down evenly and firmly with your hand wherever the design is printed. You can also rub it with a folded paper towel or a little squeegee, or even a card from your wallet, which is what I used. Be sure to get all of the air bubbles out or it will leave little circles in your design. When you're finished, lift the paper carefully and now your design is on the wood. If there are mistakes or you don't like how it looks, you can just sand it off and try it again. To finish it off, you might want to apply some lacquer. It's better to use a spray instead of a brush so that it doesn't smear the ink. Just be sure to do this where there's good ventilation. Just be aware that the lacquer spray will change the color of the wood around the border of your image if there is one, and it will also smell for a day or two. You can also try using Mod Podge to seal it. Just wait for 24 hours and use the lightest brush strokes possible so that it doesn't smear the ink. This is a quick and easy way to transfer images to wood, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Comment below if you have any questions, and don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Pinterest, and Instagram. Thanks for watching!